Hmm. Yeah. Sunday night or Monday morning. No, midnight. But yeah, we gonna get straight to it. You know, weekly update. 1 week down or another week down, and another one to go. But starting right here, monthly time frame, we see that price is in this bullish expansion. Price got here and engulfed this resistance, giving us a new monthly higher high. And now this month, the price has traded down inside of that bullish candle. So, in order to know what price is doing, we have to scale in. So, we're going to go to the most recent swing. The most recent swing, and here we are on the weekly time frame with this higher low to higher high retracing now. And what will cause price to encounter its continuation? Oh shit. Excuse me. Um, what will cause price? We got this weekly IPA here. We know when price came into this weekly IPA, it gave us this expansion. It gave us this continuation, which is now the new swing low to swing high, higher low, higher high, right? We have this weekly IPA here, and then also we have this continuation zone of the Fibonacci levels, my snipe zone. You know what I mean? Snipe go, baby. So, what will cause price to encounter its bullish continuation? Understanding that price never disrespected its previous week low. Price never disrespected PWL. When this was previous week low and we were in this week, what did price do? Pierced it, but closed above it. It did not close beyond it. We will call this a respect. So this low is still relevant or significant, right? And then this was the previous week low for this candle when we are in this week, correct? When we were in this week, just last week, this was the previous week low. And what did price do? Pierced it, but respected it. And still respected this previous week low that was still held strong, or that has still held strong. So is this previous week low is still relevant and significant. Price created this previous week low after respecting this previous week low, and price respected it and respected this one. And now this is what previous week low and previous week high. We know price is still respecting previous week low. So now we want to see what this price is doing. Right now, we see this price action on the weekly. So now we want to see the price action on the daily, right? So let's scale in. And again, gonna go to most recent swing, okay? Because what is price doing right now? So on the day that we got this daily structure, higher low, higher high, and then pricing. Everything in between those swing points is what? A retracement. So at this point, we're reading the retracement. We're seeing price create highs and lows. And we want to see what type of price action are we going to see in this retracement. We know price is inside of a bullish expansion. So the retracement would be what? Bears, right? If we get a bullish expansion, retracement would be bears, until we get that continuation, that bullish continuation to the upside. So reading the retracement, we want to see bearish price action. Now, looking at this, I measured, as you can see, we measured this one, swing to swing, and we looked at this as a retracement, right? And price coming into this level and giving us this breakdown, right? And then we ultimately we saying that what this manipulation here, price pushed up above these highs that was created and immediately reversed and took lows, took this low and took this low, right? After taking these highs, that is what bearish price action is. Bearish price action, price will consolidate, as some say, but price will create this sideways, price trading sideways, creating a series of highs and lows, and then you see you see what price do after taking these highs. Price immediately reverse, taking this low and coming down, taking this low, and now we get this buy here. Oh, sorry, folks. And now we get this buy here after selling off, finally selling on the weekly. And then even with this, measuring this expansion here, right? We measured this and looked at the expansion, retracement, continuation, and then price got here to a swing high. And what did price encounter? A daily failed high, because it got back to this swing high where we will want to see price encounter a continuation beyond that. But it got here, respected it, and reversed. So measuring this move, swing low to swing high, and measuring and seeing all of this, because this is the bearish continuation zone um, for this swing to swing. We got this bearish continuation zone of those Fibonacci levels. And what did we encounter inside of this? We encountered um, bearish price action. Price, price pushed up above these highs in reverse, taking lows immediately. And now we see a push up, you know. So then what? If we was looking at it as that bears right here, this expansion, you would what? Measure that swing to swing, right? But now I'm looking at the swing that price was already in, that we're getting this continuation from. And what did price do when it got to this swing low? Price just bought right here. Price what? Rejected it, just as it did here. And we got this daily failed high, or daily failed higher high. Price got here, and what did we encounter? a daily failed low, daily failed lower low. Like it failed to come down into these levels after encountering the swing low. You know what I mean? So, and then also, what? Continue to respect these lows, making these, continuing to make these lows significant because price respected them. You know, that's the win, right? What the price do this week, before the weekend, price closed above it, respecting it, right? And then what? Price pushed down, came up, respect, respecting this weekly low again, and then what? Respecting this weekly low again. So now let's scale in to what is price doing right now. So what did price do when it got here on the 8 hour? Like we can see now, at these levels, we're questioning if it's a daily fail low. I mean, what did price do? Price got here at these weekly lows that price is still respecting. Price is respecting um, respecting previous week low and targeting previous week highs, right? So it's nothing to see or read price action at these levels. What is price doing at these levels? And what did we get on the 8 hour? Just as we did here, right? We got the 8 hour breaker structure and boom, price, boom, collapse, bop, bop. And then what? Boom, 8 hour breaker structure. So now 8 hours bullish. Now this is 8 hour structure. Um, if price give us this higher high here, this will be 8 hour structure because price sold right here. So price sold here, retesting what? That weekly low. You know what I mean? Price bought here, giving us this breaker structure, giving us this internal retracement here, 8 hour, giving us this continuation. Then price sold off, coming into this weekly low, giving us this, printing this what? Hammer on the 8 hour at this weekly low, and what? Getting this push up. So, um, I mean, I did make a post here, right? When price was here, as you can see, I just seen the breaker structure, and I said, what? You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, I called this. So I was looking at it as gonna go here. So I was looking at that, reading that, after seeing that push, and I said I could see price come up into that again. What? Because I was, remember, I said this could be what? Shoulder, head, and then because we got this manipulation, and then this reverse, you can look at this as a retracement for price to come up and what? Give us that shoulder, and then price can come down and then them take profits before pushing up. But seeing this, I'm just reading price action. So, look, you don't want to get caught up in um, your feelings of the market, what you think price is going to do, or what you want price to do. You just have to read price action because the candles tell you everything. So you just gotta read price action and keep your feelings and emotions out of it. Just read what it's telling you. It's doing. Read price action. Be aware of everything, but just read price action. Now I see, again, like bone, shoulder, and then, but seeing this price coming into this swing low and rejecting it at these weekly lows also, you know, I can see price giving us, I, price could very well be going up into these, you know, daily take profit. That daily take. Shit, look, my bad. We got what? Weekly take profit one and weekly take profit two, from that month. So, eh, you know, so look, this could be a weekly hammer, and then price can just come up. We can get a buy. This could be price buying. You can look or call that a doji, but you can see price could buy here on the weekly and give us this continuation to the upside, which means on the daily, this will be a daily fail low and reversing to give us that push to the upside, to give us this daily continuation here. Because look, again, I'm not a believer of price having to come down into those Fibonacci levels for price to encounter a continuation. No, I always say what's inside of these swing points that can cause price to encounter its continuation. And I mean, we got these weekly lows here that price is respecting. We got this dip down before. We got this dip down below these lows. That price could, give us this continuation. Because then again, it's like we know price is bullish. So you could just like not focus on bearish price action and just focus on what do you see when lows get took, because that's bullish price action. So we know price is bullish. We should be looking for bullish price action type. You know what I mean? Like that. So it's like, okay, price created these lows and highs inside of these swing points. Low, low, and then these are equal highs. And then we want to see price push below these lows and give us a reversal like this, you know. But again, we just reading price action. So seeing what price is doing and knowing that price has sold off the weekly highs all the way down, I would want to see what price is doing here at this weekly high. And if the price push past that, then you can watch and see what price do when it get back up in here. But if price start pushing up, you see, and just read price action. So, hey, you heard it here first. The snipe go, the candle reading guru. And I want everybody to tell your favorite trader, I'm on the way.